In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take a long screenshot on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up your web browser and then just go to some web page. As you can see, I got quite a long page here, and then if I want to take a long screenshot, all I have to do is just press at the same time side button and volume up button, just like that. After that will take a screenshot. We can tap on it. As you can see, I have just made a screenshot, and all we have to do in order to turn it to full page screenshot is just tap right here where it says full page. As you can see, now we got a screenshot of the entire page. After that, we can crop it if we would like to do so. And also we can tap at Done and then Save PDF to Files to convert this screenshot into PDF and then save it to files on your device or on your iCloud. That's how you can easily take a long screenshot on your iPhone.